Hi there. Welcome to The Law of the Future, the podcast hosted by Dennis Hilleman, international expert on technology and law. Join Dennis as he dives deep into the latest developments in the ever-changing world of technology and law. You'll hear his insights, his stories, and get access to his latest published articles, all for free. Plus, join the Law of the Future community at www.lawofthefuture.club and stay up to date with the latest news and trends in technology and law. So, don't miss out on this unique opportunity, and let's kick off with the new episode of The Law of the Future.
How self-driving cars are vulnerable to phantom braking and what we can do to prevent it. Phantom braking is a serious threat to self-driving cars and can lead to dangerous situations. However, there are several ways to mitigate the risk of phantom braking, such as engineering improvements, software updates, and improved infrastructure. Additionally, preventing phantom braking can lead to improved safety and navigation accuracy, making self-driving cars a more viable option for drivers. Unexpected braking is a mysterious occurrence where self-driving cars come to an abrupt halt, even when there is nothing in the vicinity that would justify such a maneuver. This strange phenomenon has caused much debate and worry about the dependability of automated cars. In this piece of writing, let us investigate the enigma of phantom braking and its ramifications for the development of self-driving vehicles. Phantom braking, a safety hazard that, for example, Tesla owners have been experiencing since November 2021, is an issue with Autopilot, Tesla's advanced driver assistance system ADAS. Autopilot allows the vehicle to monitor blind spots and offers lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise, and emergency braking. Several of the owners who complained to regulators told stories of their vehicles abruptly slowing down upon sensing a truck in the opposite lane. One driver reported an incident where their car suddenly decelerated from 50 miles per hour to a near stop while traveling along a straight road during lunchtime. What is phantom braking? An autonomous vehicle, also known as a self-driving car, is a vehicle with the ability to sense its environment and navigate without any human involvement. This is achieved by using several different techniques such as machine learning, image recognition, and sensory probes. Self-driving cars are believed to be a way to improve traffic flow and reduce the number of automobile accidents per annum. Phantom braking is an occurrence that takes place in autonomous vehicles when the car immediately and unexpectedly applies its brakes without any prior warnings from either the driver or from external signals. This can be caused by a variety of situations such as faulty sensors, software malfunctions, or wrong detection of objects. With Tesla, phantom braking is a phenomenon that occurs when a Tesla with autopilot suddenly and unexpectedly slows down. It is caused by the developers not having a proper threshold to determine what is real versus a false alarm. There have been steady increases in complaints since Tesla's full self-driving software update, as seen in YouTube videos and Washington Post analysis. Teslas have been experiencing a surge of phantom braking incidents, where the car suddenly stops or slows down despite no external cause. This has been a well-documented issue, and it's now spiking to new heights. A Washington Post analysis found that complaints about Tesla's automatic braking issue are higher than ever in recent months, and could be traced back to recent changes to Tesla's autopilot software and hardware. Why are Teslas exhibiting this behavior? It seems the forward collision warning and emergency brakes are to blame, with false positives causing them to kick in. For instance, when a truck is on the other side of the street, the Tesla's automatic deceleration and steering assist can be activated and slow the car down by 10 miles per hour, as well as swerving it away from the perceived obstacle. Similarly, occurrences have been reported with vehicles from other companies such as Subaru, GMC, and Volkswagen. This is most likely due to problems in their own front collision avoidance assistance systems. It's a rarity, but phantom braking has still caused worries amongst Tesla drivers who may fear being hit from behind. To address this issue, Tesla has implemented a number of software updates to their autopilot system and is continuing to work on them. Furthermore, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration launched a safety investigation into the phenomenon. Tesla lawsuit. Tesla Motors is currently being sued in a class action lawsuit due to its phantom braking issue. A complaint by San Francisco resident Jose Alvarez Toledo was presented to the federal court in the Northern District of California and seeks class action status for all U.S. owners or leasers of a Tesla car that suffers from the sudden unintended braking defect. The lawsuit alleges that Tesla kept details about the safety risks associated with its autopilot driver assist system hidden, had breached its warranties, unfairly profited from autopilot, and violated California's unfair competition law. It also states that when the sudden unintended braking defect appears, it creates an experience of fear and danger instead of providing the expected safety. The lawsuit requests compensation and punitive damages to cover costs of repairing damaged cars, diminished value of Tesla vehicles, refund for extra cost attributed to autopilot feature, and punitive damages for Tesla's alleged fraudulent activity on the matter. Preventative measures for phantom braking. There are several initiatives that can help to mitigate the risk of phantom braking. The most effective solutions encompass engineering improvements, software updates, and infrastructure upgrade. Engineering solutions incorporate sensors, cameras, and algorithms to detect any obstacles or hazards. By utilizing more advanced sensors and algorithms, autonomous vehicles can be more precise and efficient when identifying objects in their environment. As self-driving cars become more common on roads, they must be appropriately outfitted with sensors and cameras capable of recognizing every kind of object, from pedestrians to other cars. They must also be able to react adequately to any environmental conditions, from foggy weather to nighttime darkness. As self-driving cars travel in a self-contained environment, engineers must consider how to keep the safety of its riders and other drivers on the road intact. If an accident happens due to a mistake made by the automated car, the human driver must be able to pinpoint the source of the incident so that they can act accordingly. One way of making sure a person is present to do this is having someone at the wheel. However, many people think that self-driving cars will be safer on the road. Regular software updates can help minimize the risk of phantom braking. These updates allow the car to be fitted with the most recent algorithms and object recognition systems, and address any bugs or security flaws that might be present in its system. Additionally, more modern infrastructures such as improved roads and illuminated roads can give cars more precise details about their surroundings so they can efficiently brake when necessary. Conclusion. In conclusion, phantom braking is a serious threat to self-driving cars and can lead to dangerous situations. However, there are several ways to mitigate the risk of phantom braking, such as engineering improvements, software updates, and improved infrastructure. Additionally, preventing phantom braking can lead to improved safety and navigation accuracy, making self-driving cars a more viable option for drivers.
Thanks for listening to this week's episode. If you want to keep up to date with technology and law, connect with Dennis on LinkedIn. Share your thoughts and reach out to him. See you in the next episode.